Kung may mga tao sa buhay mo, work, family, or kaibigan man yan na palagi nakaka-stress, nakaka-frustrate at gusto mo na lang talagang iwasan, hindi mo alam kung paano sila i-handle and it drains your energy every single day at gusto mo lang talaga silang burahin sa buhay mo, this is the perfect book that I can recommend for you. This is the book of How to Deal with Difficult People by Bo Sanchez. Di lang to basta libro. It's like having a personal guide kung paano ka magiging calm, confident at wise kahit pa sa pinaka-challenging na tao sa paligid mo. With this book, matututo ka ng practical strategies para hindi ka na ma-stress sa mga toxic na tao sa paligid mo. Iintindihan mo rin kung bakit ganun sila at paano mo ma-handle yung situation kasama sila without losing your peace. Perfecto para sa work mo, family, or kahit social life mo dahil makakapag-set ka ng healthy boundaries at mas magiging confident ka sa sarili mo. Kung ang goal mo ay mas maging peaceful, confident, pero hindi talaga carry kasi lagi mong nami-meet yung mga tao na 'to at gusto mo talagang maging stress-free yung interactions mo with these people, this book is a must-have. Kasi life is too short para lang ma-drain sa mga toxic na tao. Take control, protect your energy, and learn to handle anyone with grace. So go ahead, grab the copy of this book. You will learn that this is proven and effective. Kasi once you meet these people again, alam mo na kung paano sila i-handle.